Welcome, aspiring gardeners. Today, we'll guide you through growing delicious tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, vibrant peppers, and aromatic basil right at home. First, let's talk about planting. Choose a spot that receives 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily and offers some shelter from strong winds. Your soil is crucial. Aim for well-draining soil with a pH between 6.5 and 7.0, enriched with plenty of organic matter for optimal growth. Selecting the right varieties is key for beginners. Look for easy-to-grow, productive, and disease-resistant types. For containers, choose compact or determinate tomato varieties. Consider companion planting to boost your garden's health. Basil thrives next to tomatoes, while marigolds can deter pests and radishes benefit cucumbers. Starting seeds indoors gives your plants a head start. For tomatoes, begin 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Peppers need a bit more time, starting 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost, and basil can be started 4 to 6 weeks prior. Generally, aim to start your seeds indoors in late March or early April. Use a quality seed starting mix, keep it moist, and provide warmth. Once germinated, ensure your seedlings receive adequate light to prevent them from becoming leggy. Transplanting outdoors should only happen after the last frost, when soil temperatures are consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, typically mid-May to early June. Before planting, harden off your seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a week or two. When planting tomatoes, bury them deeply up to their first set of true leaves to encourage strong root development. Install supports like stakes or cages for tomatoes and peppers immediately after transplanting. Vining cucumbers will need a trellis. For in-ground gardening, prepare your soil by tilling in compost and other organic amendments. If you're container gardening, choose pots at least 5 gallons in size with good drainage holes. Terracotta or fabric pots work well. Consistent watering is vital. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, watering deeply and less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Fertilize regularly. Start with a balanced fertilizer, then switch to one higher in phosphorus once your plants begin to fruit. Mulching around your plants helps retain soil moisture and suppresses weeds, keeping your garden tidy and healthy. Prune indeterminate tomatoes to improve airflow and direct energy into fruit production. Remove suckers that grow in the leaf axils. Monitor your plants for pests and diseases. Early detection and using resistant varieties are your best defense. Remember to stake indeterminate tomatoes and peppers and ensure vining cucumbers have their trellises. Pinch off basil flower heads to encourage more leaf growth. Harvest your vegetables at their peak maturity to encourage continuous production throughout the season. With seeds starting in late March or early April, transplanting in mid-May to early June, and regular care, you'll be harvesting from midsummer onwards. Don't hesitate to seek advice from local gardening experts and consider succession planting for a continuous harvest. Happy gardening and enjoy the fresh, homegrown flavors.